Oh no. Did you know that since you become the owner of this our community, things have been going well? My fellow chief, it is the wish of our gods. It is not my making. We've been praying for the betterment of our land, and I think that is prayer answered. With our husband, we can't do it. We thank the gods that we are given no more holding our kingdom. My brother. So, I don't know if your children coming. My father. But how are you doing? I'm cool. And you? I'm fine. What just saying? What up? Father, we have come back. We are back.
Father, we are back with good news.
I'm smiling face. And what must be that good news? Can you just tell my father what the good news is?
Are you ready?
I am ready. Are
you not ready to hear the good news?
Please, let's hear the good news.
Father, your children are through with education. Everything about school. Now, we have finished everything about school stuff and projects with assignments.
Bam! Exactly, Father. Well, please. I didn't get you right. Because of the finishing projects and school stuff, assignments, and this and that. I think that is just the starting point.
Now, how do you mean, Father?
You know, remember, because I promised your brother that if he successfully make it and become a medical doctor with good certificates, I am going to build a private hospital for him.
That's my father's idea.
That means I should start calling
Start calling everyone.
Really?
Start calling everyone. Everything is gone.
You get your witness.
Everything is gone. That man is your final man. That means no, we're going to have a big hospital in this community.
That is it.
Managed by the son of the ruler.
Yes.
Of Indian or Kingdom. But if you do know what happened, your mother will be down there behind the back of the kitchen. Go to the bar, pick any type of champagne of yours.
Because we're gonna pop champagne.
Father of this Indian kingdom. The gods has blessed you. Hey! In fact, it's tomorrow if they repeat this.
Akurela. Akurela. Ibamba amaka. Imana njefu marama.
Wow.
What's happening here? We are back. Welcome.
Thank you, dear.
How was your day?
Your day is good. I least expected you in the house.
So you're expecting another girl?
No, not that. Not another girl, but for you to come into the house and begin to mop the floor, then, do some other better chores. Come on.
Honey, I was less busy in the house. I decided to come and help Ikenna out with some of the house chores.
Wow. This is good. This is good. This is good.
I also have food in the kitchen, eh? So go and freshen up. I'm coming. Let me round up with the things.
It's alright.
Alright.
Let me help you too.
Thank you. Don't worry. I'm almost through.
Hello?
And who is this? It's Wanko.
Wanko is calling you.
Yes.
Answer him, hear him.
Hello.
Hey, Mama. Yes, it's me. How are you? What about Papa? Oh, he's there. He's there. Hey, Papa, how are you? Okay, you're all right. Okay, give the phone back to Mama. Mama, I've succeeded, though.
Yes?
I have succeeded. The other time you took me around the village in search of a woman. I have seen the woman I will marry. No, she's not from Abakaliki. Mama, I must not marry from Abakaliki. Now, she's not from Abakaliki. She's from Oka. Yeah, she's from Oka.
Hey, Wanko. It's okay. It's okay, Wanko. Who asked you to call us over this issue? Eh? Who asked you to call us over this issue? Tell that person that they have failed. I, Chinyere, said they have failed. Did you hear me, Wanko? Don't provoke me. Don't provoke me. Eh? Did you hear me? Don't provoke me, Wanko.
Mama.
Listen to me now. Listen to me. See, if you eventually reject Nonye or any other girl in this village, I will disclose to you what's in Ijagodo, the smelling grasshopper that make it edible for fowl.
Mama.
Shut up your mouth. I say shut up your mouth. Don't provoke me. Wanko, don't provoke me, yo.
Give me that phone. Give me the phone.
Hey.
Wanko, this is the voice of Aja, your father.
Papa.
Now listen and listen good, Wanko. Don't ever try to incur my wrath over this issue. Are you hearing me? Let me warn you for the last time. Between now and the end of this month, if you do not bring home a lady that suits you as a wife, I will then tell you that it is Hans that makes the evil forest a playground for the spirits. Are you hearing me? Enough is enough. And that is all I have for you. I will not discuss with you again on this issue on phone. Let me not see you at home at the end of this month. Then you will know that I, Aja, is your father. Take this phone.
Hey, Wanko, what is this? I never knew I would crack kernel for fowl to consume. What is all this? What have I done, Wanko?
Mama.
Hey, don't mama me. Don't mama me. Don't mama me, Wanko. Shut up your mouth.
Why are you sounding like this? Why are you're making me uncomfortable here? You're just discomforting me.
Go and gulp your mouthful extracts. What discomfort are you feeling, Wanko? I'm asking you, what discomfort are you feeling? Shameless being. Hey! My husband, I'm suspecting that a lady in the city had administered a food charm to Wanko and he ate. This action of his is not ordinary. It's not ordinary.
And what do you suggest?
I suggest that we seek for solution before things get out of hands. Before Wanko brings shame to this family.
Nothing is wrong. Nothing is absolutely wrong with him. And nobody gave him food poison to eat. He's acting on his own.
My mind is telling me that something is wrong with my child. Something is wrong with Wanko. Hey!
Chinjin, nothing is wrong anywhere. Except that the children of these days, particularly those who went to the city and grew up there, sees the people in the village as inferior. Nobody ever did anything against Wanko on this issue I'm talking about.
Hell, is Wanko the only person that has been to the city? Ebo Amaka traveled to the city and yet he came home and married. Went back to the city with his wife. Umokenwan was born in this village. He was born here and raised in this village. And his parents married Wamaka for him. And before he says, he did not condemn Wamaka, nor reject Wamaka. Does it mean that he did not see the city girls that are floating around? The Wanko issue is Wanko the only person in the city? Oh my God.
And that is why I blame you. I'm suspecting Wanko is not of my blood. You should tell me where Wanko comes from. Otherwise, we don't have such character in my family. I'm suspecting you. Sure.
Akureulo Ibamba Maka.
Sisi. Chi. If what you told me about the guy was true, you have to be careful while dealing with Abakaliki men. Chichi, how many times will I tell you that Wanko is not just Abakaliki man? His own Abakaliki is Abakaliki with swag. And anytime you're saying that's Abakaliki, put it Abakaliki with swag. This man is well loaded. He is rich. He is handsome. He is educated. He has mansions, cars. You need to see what I saw.
Okay now. So, when are you going to see him?
I saw the smile on your face. You just had the mansion and rich. Now, then am I going to see him? If I'm going to see him, it's on my own. I'll go there by next weekend. Besides, I'm going to see him, not we.
Okay now. So are you going to see your mother-in-law? Know much about her? To know more about her now.
I'm not coming. I'll my mother-in-law that is already the marriage. Give everything for me. You know, Juka, every time even if I answer this one, you still look for another one you ask. Please, there's something I'm
not looking for another one. Suit yourself.
Thank you. Concentrate on what you're reading.
Okay.
Good day, my brother. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Please, I'm one of the youth, and I'm here to see your father. Oh no, of Freedom of Kingdom.
The problem is that my father is not around. He went for the parents' meeting.
Okay. When did you come back?
He came back last week.
Oh, wow. Welcome back.
Alright.
Thank you.
I hope there's no problem.
There's no problem.
Alright.
Bye.
Take
Hey,
care.
hey.
Bye.
Bye.
Mama Wangwo. Chinyere. Chinyere.
Oh, wait.
Come. Aye. Papa. Now that our visitors have gone down, and we really want to, I believe you will enjoy yourself.
Yes, sir. Papa, thank you very much. Mama, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
My daughter, just calm down. My daughter, what I've just seen is just a small thing of what we have for you. You are going to see, to know that you really step your feet in the compound of the great Ajanwale, Otoko one.
Papa, you call all those entertainments, the dance, the food, everything small.
Papa, that one is too much. I appreciate. Thank you, Papa. Mama, thank you.
Thank you, Madam. So, my son, you have not even tell us about that you have some men before now.
And you keep on stressing us.
No,
You keep on stressing us.
Mama, it's not a stress at all. I didn't give you stress. You know, your effort was not in vain. Mama, it was how much you persuaded me when I came back to the village. She even took me around the whole village. We toured the village in search of any girl that would suit me, and that was what gave me the inbuilt. Then when I went back to the city, I continued the search. And as it stands today, she's Amanda. Mandy is my beloved, my heartthrob. Papa, in short, she's my betrothed. And my plan, I want us to get married very soon. Very, very, very soon.
How is your pal and your parents? Mama, they are fine. They even send their regards to you.
Yes. Yes.
You are welcome. Mama, thank you. Thank you.
Which family Oka did you really come from? Because I used to be there during my days of blacksmith merchandise.
Yes.
But I came from Anyika family.
Oh, Anyika. Is it Anyika the blacksmith?
No, Papa, is Anyika Odoro.
Yes. Yes, Odoro.
Anyika Odoro, the evil spirit caster. Your father had a land bundle with Nzekwe Afanya, and is married to 2 wives. The first wife is from Omayom village. What is that her name? Your mother's name?
Papa is Ugogo.
Yes, Ugogo.
Yes.
Is she your own mother?
Yes, sir.
Wait.
You don't know what I'm asking, no? Eh? So you are trying to tell me that Mandy now stays with your mom in the village?
Of course, that's
what Hey, that's good news now. Eh? I thought it was something serious, sir.
Jude, I told you there's problem.
Yes, problem.
That she's in the village is not a solution, but problems kept impounding.
What kind of problem? Tell me.
Jude.